Anytime we talk about parent functions, we inevitably talk about transformations of those parent functions. So when we're talking about this reciprocal function, we're going to talk about horizontal and vertical shifts, reflections, stretches, and compressions. So the standard form for transformations of the reciprocal functions would be f of x equals a over x minus h plus k. Now the a, the h, and the k all lend themselves to different transformations of each of the function. So notice here how we're going to begin with the h. H is the horizontal shift. If h is positive, it's going to shift the graph left. And if h is negative, it's going to shift the graph right. Now this is something that's sometimes a little bit counterintuitive and a little bit difficult to remember because it might seem logical that positive goes to the right and negative goes to the left. However, notice how your standard form already has a negative here. So that negative is going to kind of flip your intuition. So positive shifts left, negative shifts right. The next piece of the transformation is k. K is the vertical shift. If k is positive, it shifts up, and if k is negative, it shifts down. The next piece of the transformation is a. And a is your numerator. Sometimes a is 1, and sometimes a has a sign. So if a is negative, the function is reflected across the x-axis. If a is greater than 1, you have a vertical stretch. And if a is between 0 and 1, you have a vertical compression or squish. Now you can also look to this standard form to find your vertical asymptote and your horizontal asymptote. So your vertical asymptote is always x equals h, and your horizontal asymptote is always y equals k.